Hello everyone. So today I have a Yashica 24. I'm going to talk about this camera. TLR style range or focusing and image taking. So you have one lens for focus and composition, and the other lens actually takes the picture. Has a pop-up viewfinder. This one also has the little magnifying glass, so you can get sharp focus. I received this camera with a box of other stuff. Now, technically, this is only supposed to take 220 film. However, some of these models had marks that showed you how to align 120 film. So I have 120 film loaded in it. And I have Fuji Color Pro 400H film. I've got 7 pictures on it right now. I need to take 3 more, and then I'll get it developed and show you guys the results. This is the film advance lever. You crank it till it stops, and then you crank it back a little bit, and it rests in that little hole there. And then this has a built-in light meter. And then to determine whether or not your exposure is correct, there's a little red button over here, and you press that, which activates the light meter. And if the needle matches up with the little wrench looking thing, I don't know if you can see that in there, but when those line up, you're supposed to have good exposure. It has a ISO dial, so when you load your film, you set that. And then your shutter speed is controlled through this dial, and then your f-stop is controlled using this dial. And those settings are displayed on top of right here in this area. Shutter speeds, the more forward number reading, and then the f-stop is closer to the body. It does have a flash sync port, and then this controls this little switchware here. You can move it between manual and X sync for your flash control. Then down here you have a self timer, and then you have a shutter button right here. Now, this particular camera does not have a shutter release fit on the shutter button, so you can't really do like a bulb exposure. But anyway, this one does have a flash mount on the side. Battery compartment for the light meter. And then to load the film, you turn this dial, and the entire back opens up. And it has an O for open and a C for close. And of course the 1 1/4 20 tripod mount. So anyway, it's a tank of a camera. I don't know, it seems to be functioning correctly. I'll know more once I get the pictures back, but anyway, that is the Yashica 24. Thanks, and have a great day.